Today we are going to put a cabin air filter into this 2015 that I'm sitting in, Audi convertible. Something that I got for my daughter. When she go back to school, she'll be able to drive on her own. So this filter is inside the glove box, and we are going to learn how to do this all together. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna hold the camera a little bit. Now, from what I was told, as you can see here, take the stuff out of there. There's more stuff here out of there. Alright, cabin air filter is right there in front of us. This thing right here. You guys see that? Let's make sure you guys can see that. There. Okay. Yeah, you guys can see it. So it's this piece right here. So it got clips on it. So got it right. That clip came out right there on the end over there. This clip right here just popped out there. Now there's another clip here. I don't want to. The thing. Okay, there we go. It came out easy. All right. So there's supposed to be another clip here. Up under the damn tube. So, okay. Alright. So, this thing is tricky. Let me go get a tool right quick. Be right back. Alright, so here we go with these tabs. There's 3 tabs. You got 1, 2, 3. You need to squeeze them a little bit. Each one. Squeeze that one. Then you got these 3 bottom tabs here. Here. We're gonna give this thing here a little pull. There we go. And it comes up. Alright. So there go our filter. As you see, the direction the arrow is pointing. Make sure when you put your new filter in that the arrow is pointing down, or in whatever direction the arrow is pointing, yours need to be pointing the same way. Okay, so let's pull this thing out of here. See how easy that is? And it's kind of, oh my God. Yeah, look at this shit here, guys. Look at this. See this crap? It's all dirty. Let's put it on the ground. See that? Everything just fall out of it. It's dirty. Man. See what we got in here. If we got anything in there. Because I can't see, so I'm going to let this GoPro off in here. And some light. Y'all tell me what y'all see. If y'all see anything. Anything, because I don't want nothing in here. Alright, so let me get this other filter out and get right back to you. So as we see, these filters are the same here. arrow is pointing down. So let's doggone put this thing in. It says recommended the airflow going down, so that's where we're gonna put it back in. So let me get some light on this subject. Crazy. Can you see in there? Can you guys see? There we go. Push that thing all the way in there. Just like that. Push that down in there. And these 3 prongs, push, then push it back. There we go. Now I'm gonna get my shop vacuum this out, and when we get back, we're gonna be on the 2016 Infinti. So we gotta change it, cabin air filter in that one too. All right, get right back at you. Okay guys, so we're now in the 2016 Infinti QX60. So here is the doggone where we need to go to get this cabin air filter out. We got to go behind, as you can see here. We had to go behind to basically the center console right here, which is this piece right here. Let me get the camera straight. This piece will go up like this. See the tabs right there? It just goes in there and it snaps in up under there. Pull that out and slide this crap here back this way, and then we get in here so we can get to what we need to get to. Now, so like I said before, this piece right here, you want to go up and pull out. And down it comes. All right, my filter is right here. What they say, you have to scrunch it down, pull it down all together, then pull it out. Are y'all seeing it? Yeah, you guys can see it. See that? Crap is coming out like the last one. See this? Okay, so this here says filter go towards the cabin. See that? So that's what we'll do. So Nissan. Why in the hell are we a Nissan part in a damn Infinti? Okay, ain't my business. So as you see, so let me grab this filter and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so here we go. We have the micro guard cabin air filter for 2016 QX Infinti, well, QX60 Infinti. All right, here's our cabin filter. When we took it out, the arrows themselves were pointed towards the cab. So that means that's where we're gonna put it back in as, right? So, but the way we're gonna do this, just leave it right here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna squeeze this plug here in the middle, just like this. Just like this, and we're gonna slide it in there, and it's gonna expand. Once I let it go, it'll come out. All right. So, yeah, let's see how this works out. This is gonna be the hardest part of this situation here. Well, I think putting the cover back on is gonna be hard be the hardest. So let's see if I can get this thing here up in there. Come on, get out the way there. Oh shoot, let me see if y'all can see. Okay, y'all can see it. All right, let's put this over here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now, where the hell is it? Okay, it's right there. Way back there. Okay, man, get in there. Why would they make this like this? I never know. This is ridiculous. Who does this? See, this is that bull crap. They want you to come back to the dealer to get stuff put in. And I want to say this here is almost worth it. Okay, what's in there? Here we go with this cover. It has that prong, you know, see that on there? That piece on there? So that hooks up into something up there. So I'm about to reach up in there with it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide up the thing, up the piece where it goes, all the way up to the top. See, it's not in there. There we go. Oh my God. See, this is gonna be the hard part. So let me put my hand up here. Make sure that we are all the way in, which don't seem like it's all the way in up. There we go. Okay. Now, oh, we about to get pissed. I feel anger coming on. Slide my hand all the way up here. See if I can feel where this piece needs to go. Needs to go on the inside. There. And that there. got it, folks. We got it. Man. Now we get the vacuum and I have to shut back and vacuum this crap out. Alright. But put my glasses on because I look crazy without them. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys learned something, because I learned something too myself. So with that being said, hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the like button, guys. Comment, share. This will help the channel grow. I promise you that. All I just need is the opportunity, man. I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. If not, tell me. Let me know, man. Let me know what you want to see. I got some things coming down the line, but let me know what you want to see. All right. So, have fun with this, cause we gonna have fun with it, and be safe out there, y'all. What is it? COVID-19 is no joke. I just had to do the test myself, so just be safe out there, y'all, cause I'm about to have surgery, so just be safe out there. All right. Peace. We'll see you in the next one.